Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So all are new to my new channel, so please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Okay. So today we'll talk about third session for a run command. Okay. So today we'll talk about some of the documents we are going to run it, and so for the Linux we are going to use one of the document called CPU-Stress. For Windows, how to find the Windows patches, how to install it, that is what we are going to cover it, and configure the Windows update automatically. And so for Windows and Linux, if you want to install it in PV drivers, Cloudwatch, some other packages, that is also we are going to cover it. So today's session is the final session, I can call it, for the run command. So just log into the AWS console. So I'm going to create two EC2 machine. One is for Linux instance. So this time I'm going to use it Ubuntu, Amazon Linux 2023. So I'll be using by default instance type. So from here I'm going to use it keeper development, and here I'm going to use it, and for the SSM role I'm going to use it. Okay. So this is for Amazon Linux instance. Okay. So let me run it. Let me create one more EC2 Windows server. So I'll make it as, so from here I'm going to use it 2016 base Windows server. I'm going to use it 2 virtual CPU and 4 GB RAM. So keep here, I'm going to use it existing development. Here also same. From SSM role, I'm going to use it. Okay. So let's jump into the. Okay. So let me state. I can just mention the to running, so that it will shows only running EC2 machine. Okay. In the meantime, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to systems manager. So anyway, right now, so there is a monitoring just showing here. So right now CPU still it is not started. So what we can do it, we can go and we can run the command for the Linux machine. Okay. So what is this? Let me just run this command. So what exactly this document it will do? It will stress your CPU. So if you are able to see it, so what is it is going to do? So it runs CPU stress on the instance via stress ng tool. So it is going to install the one of the stress-ng tool. Okay. So how many seconds you want to execute? So for me, 3 minutes is fine. 180 seconds I'm going to use it. So if you have mentioned 0, that means it is going to select all the CPUs. Load should be entered. Okay. Install dependency true only. So I'm going to select Linux instance. Okay. So let's wait for 3 minutes. Okay. So right now 12:05. Let's wait for 12:08. Okay. In the meantime, let's verify our Windows server. It is up and running. Okay. For the Windows server, what we can do, we can run one more run command here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the patches. Okay, just run the command. Just type it, find the Windows update. So what this document it will do, it is going to find out the patches details. Oh, okay. So I'm going to select it all, choose the instance. This is for Windows only. Okay, and run it. So that it will find, it will search it out, it will give the output here. Okay. So let's wait for two things. In the meantime, I'm going to talk about automatic installation for the specific date. Okay, so for this case, what I can do it, there is a document called AWS-ConfigureWindowsUpdate. Okay, so just select the year. So install update automatically or never check for update. You can configure it anything. If you wanted to update it automatically, you can schedule the install date and Sunday. Okay, and timings also you can just mention it and select the instance and you can uncheck it, you can run it. So what it will do, specific day it is going to update it. Okay, that is what it will do. If you go and verify it, okay, so it is showing that successfully set Windows automatically will be open. So that means this timing it is going to update the packages. Okay, so no need to do anything. Okay, so this is all about AWS configure Windows update. Okay, so let's verify it. In this to in the meantime, what we can do, just select the dear Linux machine from here. So if we are able to see it, there is a dot here. Okay, so right now it is showing 57. So it should go to 100%. That is our requirement. The CPU it is going to 100. So the same way for the memory also it is available. Okay, so let's wait for another 3 minutes. Okay, so let me talk about other document. So what is that? So this document AWS configure AWS package, what it will do. So if you're able to see install uninstall distribution packages. So what are the things it is going to do it? AWS PV driver, AWS ENE network driver, Amazon. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take about AWS ENE driver should be updated. So install. Okay. So installation type you can do it in place or uninstall also. That is your wish. Okay, so required you need to fill it. So just paste here and so all the things you can make it default. Select the year. So maybe Linux and Windows both selected. Run it. Okay, right now we have run 3 things. Okay, let's wait. So this is a Linux machine, right? So it is already up to date. Only for Windows we need to do it. Let's wait for the output. So okay, this is already succeed. Let me go and verify it here. So if you're able to see what I can do, let me rerun it once again. So you're not able to see the graph, right? So that is already completed if you're able to see it. So 180 seconds remains run as per that. Okay, initializing CPU stress 180 seconds. Finished, right? So I'm going to copy to, I'll make it as a 300 second. Just run it. So we want to see the graph here. Okay, let's wait for another 3 to 4 minutes so that our CPU utilization it will go to 100%. There is no update. Okay, so right now, if you're able to see, just go inside here. This is Windows Server. Okay, so for Windows Server, just verify it. What is so? What is it showing here? So initializing. Okay, what is the version? AWS ENE 2.6.0. Okay, it is showing that successfully installed. So this is how you can able to install it. Your ENE driver also. Okay, and AWS Cloudwatch everything you can able to do it. So why it is failed for Linux? Because ENA driver by default it is automatically up to date. So for this platform it is failed. Okay. For other platform you can able to run it. For example, Ubuntu all those things. Okay. this folder. Just close this one. Let's wait for a year. Let's go to here. Let's refresh the. We should see the graph. So here we should see the graph. Let me maximize it. I'll just make it 1 second. Let's wait for a year. Okay. So let it be there here. Okay. And so we got the output here. Okay. Now, so if you're able to see, you are able to see that this is the details important update is found. Okay. That means one update is found. So this is the one we need to install it, right? So how to install it automatically? Okay. So you can able to see it 262, right? Okay. Let me run the command. Okay. So now just run the command, execute here, select it. So what it will do, it will just install it. Okay. No need to do anything here. Just keep it with default. Just run it so that whatever there is a packages, it is going to install it. So just look at it here. It is showing 27. Okay. So this is the one should be installed it because there is only one package is available 602. So it will take another 5 minutes. Let's wait. Let me come back to here. CP is increased or not. See, you are able to see people 60, 70, it is 1. Okay. It is going like another 2 minutes. Okay. Then it will come back to by default. Okay. Let's see that it will show succeed. That's it. Let's wait. Okay. So it is showing succeed. Okay. So if you're able to see the output, it is completed. Okay. And go and verify it here. Okay. It will go 100%. Okay. So in the meantime, what I can re-run it once again. I'll make it as a 500 second now. So I'll make it as. So if you're able to see maximum, it is 100 only. Okay, let me take it average. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, the package also it should be installed. So if you're able to see it here, what is this? 602, right? Okay, here also it is. What is it is showing? Searching for Windows update, found unavailable. It is going to install it. This is all. Okay, download it and succeed. Okay, so rebooting. The server is rebooting. Okay, that is what it will do. Okay, just we can verify it here the photo action. The server is rebooting or not. It is already rebooted. Okay, so that is all for today's session, guys. So for the next session, I will be talking about Fleet Manager. Okay, this is what I'm going to cover it. Okay, if you're able to see it here, there is an option called Fleet Manager. Okay, okay, so how we can use it? What are the advantages? Everything I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so it will take time. Anyway, this one, no need to wait. I can just wind up it because it will just go to the 100%. That's it, and it will back to normal. If you're able to say, now it is coming. It will go on maximum. Okay, so let's wind up for the today's session. So overall again, overall to news for the my channel, you can just subscribe my channel, guys. Thanks. Bye bye.